ipapakita ko sa inyo yung 5 proper tips how to whiten your skin using Glutamax soap. And makikita, ganito yung testimonials. Hindi po ito edit and hindi po ito fake. Sadyang katotohanan lang po. So, I'm going to give you effective and correct tips how to whiten your skin using Glutamax soap. I repeat, hindi po siya edit, no filter. Even if you can rub this one, hindi po siya talaga makeup. Pati yung face, yung neck, yung chest, and at my back, even my hands. Ayan. It is really effective. Bigyan nyo lang ng chance na gamitin nyo to 5 days, even 5 days or 1 week. You can really see visible effects in your skin. So, introducing this product, Glutamax with nanotechnology. So basically, this is my new favorite na whitening soap because as you can see, ito yung ebidensya. Hindi po ako nagsisinungaling because I want to share with you kung ano yung mga na-experience ko and na-try ko na soap. And now, pag-uusapan natin magkano nga ba ang Glutamax with nanotechnology na whitening soap. Ang pagkabili ko dito from Watsons or sa department store is $150. Yan po yung suggested retail price. And then, naswerte ako because it has freebies. So, meron siyang face cream, body cream. Ayan. And, as in, hindi ako nagsisisi. I am so satisfied using this product. So, ngayon, we are going to flip this camera para magkaroon tayo ng close-up view. Itong Glutamax. Before, I'm going to tell you yung 5 tips para ma-achieve nyo yung whiter effects in just 5 days or 1 week. So we have here itong freebies, pero ito yung main product, Glutamax with nano white technology, faster absorption for maximum effect, lightening soap with glutathione, and it is a dermatologist formulated. Kaya kung makikita nyo, isa-set aside ko muna itong mga freebies. So ganyan siya. Ayan, dumikit siya. And then we have here yung ingredients niya. Sodium palm carnate. Babasahin ko na lang yung mga important na ingredients. So we have here linolenic acid. Ayan. Tocopherol acetate, vitamin E. Ascorbyl palmitate, glutathione. Yan, nano white. Tapos water. And ayan. So directions for use. Use Glutamax to wash face and body, lather for at least 3 minutes, then rinse well. Pat dry with a clean towel. So store in a soap dish with cover. You can use it with other Glutamax products for best results. Kaya we have here, medyo na-UP na siya. And then, ayan, nano white technology. So if i-flip ulit natin dito sa likod, yung description niya, Glutamax Lightening Soap is a face and body bar that is formulated by expert for a premium, powerful yet safe and gentle on skin. And then now enhanced with nano white technology for liposomal delivery system to have 100 times more vitamin C na Super Rox C para at least mas effective yung pagpapaputi niya. So, with continued use, Glutamax provides you 10 benefits. Ayan, ang dami pala, no? Effectively brightens, cleanses, prevents pimples, oxidates stress, fights cellular damage, prevents photoaging, stimulates collagen, prevents wrinkles, prevents skin pigmentation, and boosts skin radiance. So, ang dami niyang effect, ha? So, we have here nano white technology, faster absorption for maximum effect. And ayan, so lot niya is ayan yung lot niya, pero ang expiration date niya is sa December 2022. So next year pa siya mag-expire. And now we are going to demonstrate. Maliligo po tayo para ipapakita ko sa inyo yung 5 tips how to effectively use Glutamax Lightening Soap with glutathione for a faster results sa whitening effect sa skin natin. Now, we are about to begin with the demonstration, and before anything else, this is how it looks like, itong bar. So it is an oval shape whitening bar. ganito yung in front, and ganito yung likod niya. So, yung first tip ko is at least use the bar regularly, such as everyday, para at least consistent yung pag-change ng color ng inyong skin tone. So, just like using your regular na soap, use it at least morning, and then you can use it again tomorrow, the next day, yung ganon. And then, yung second tip ko is, dapat, kapag nag-a-apply kayo ng soap na ito, at least, yung binasa ko kanina, 3 minutes, dapat magtagal tong soap for at least 3 minutes sa katawan nyo, para at least effective, paano ko ba sasabihin? Para at least mas effective yung whitening effect ng sabon sa katawan mo. And mind you guys, kapag mas matagal yung pagbabad, yung penetration ng nutrients or yung mga components and ingredients ng product na ito is mas ma-absorb ng skin nyo. So, syempre, siguro pag sinasabon nyo yung katawan nyo, talagang it really takes 3 minutes or more than 3 minutes kapag sinasabon nyo ng maayos. And be sure na dapat isabon nyo ng i-distribute nyo evenly in your face. That's the third tip. To distribute it evenly all over your body and to your face. Ganyan siya. Dapat no corner will be left behind kapag you're going to apply this product sa lahat ng parts ng face nyo. Sa neck, ayan, at the back of your ears, sa ears mismo, ayan, para at least very even yung pag-apply nyo ng sabon all over your body. So, ganito lang kasimple yung pag-apply niya. O, diba? O, diba? After taking a bath using itong Glutamax, itong second soap, ayan, ito yung second soap, pero yung isang soap nasa CR. So, ayan, there is no parang immediate effects such as itchiness, dryness, inflammation or redness na na-feel ko or even soreness. So, ganito yung effect niya. And yes, wala po siyang foundation, wala po siyang edit. It is really legit na ganito yung effect niya. And my fourth tip is to apply Glutamax cream, body cream, or body face. Kapag wala naman kayong Glutamax na face cream or body cream, you can use other brands for as long as there is a moisturizer o kaya mga body lotions na pwede kayong gawin na in combined with this product. So, ang paglagay nito is, so ikakat ko muna and then i-apply natin sa face and then sa body. So, this one is Instant White Matte Finish Face Cream. So, we are about to apply it sa ating face. So, ganyan yung cream. And always remember na i-apply niyo siya evenly and don't only concentrate on your face but also concentrate on applying evenly sa inyong neck or upper chest pati sa back of your chest sa batok. So ganyan lang siya. And mabilis siya ma-absorb ng skin. It is not greasy. Ayan. So yes, I love how my skin absorbs it quickly. Tapos, dito naman sa katawan natin, itong, ayan, Instant White Matte Finish Body Cream. So, mag-a-apply po tayo sa ating katawan using this body cream. So, ayan siya. And once again, spread evenly sa inyong katawan. Ganyan siya. O, diba? So, ganito yung effect niya. And then, of course, pati sa kamay nyo. Kaya, ang bango-bango nyo, sobrang fresh and as in, very appealing. Lalo na kapag nasa work ka, aamuin nila parang natural scent na mabango ka. So, my fifth tip is prevent yourself going outdoors because yung direct sunlight na mag-penetrate sa katawan natin is nagkakos talaga siya ng formation ng melanin. Kaya it is important na iwasan natin yung pagbabad sa direct sunlight because ayan, nagkakos talaga yan ng burning, irritation, tapos mas mabilis na pag-darken ng skin. So, magti-t-shirt muna ako para at least hindi ako ginawin agad. So, laging tandaan na dapat indoors lang kayo or every moment na lumabas kayo, be sure na mag-apply kayo ng moisturizer or any lotion pagpasok nyo or before and after going outdoors. So, ayan, naka-t-shirt na po ako. So, para hindi ako ginawin because mahirap magkasakit kapag giginawin ka. And yes, this is how I look like kapag after shower. O, di ba? And yes, ang pinaka effective na tip is do it religiously, like 2 times a day. Iba sa morning, iba sa evening. So, ganun yung pwedeng gawin nyo para mas mabilis yung effect niya in just 5 days. So, kung nagustuhan nyo tong vlog ko, don't forget to subscribe my 2 YouTube channels. Ayan, 2 YouTube channels. And if you have any question or suggestion, feedback, just don't forget to comment down below and reach me out in my Facebook page, Instagram, and Twitter, The Story of Anthony. So, that will be all, guys. Thank you, guys, and have a wonderful day.